Good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac. It is Tuesday, the 14th, and let's just get right up into it. So, I have sales in right now. I've had these sales in since yesterday because they tapped the key area for me. Put them in right before close. Let me just show you guys what I'm looking at. So, I entered these sales at this zone because, you can see the respect that was shown here. And that's part of the reason I entered these sales, right? You can see the respect I entered. Then we seen a big push up. I was asleep at this time, came down, but it's still moving up. Now I entered another position at this zone just because these are my sell-off zones. And honestly, it looks like it could come up, but I'm still trying to hold on to the fact that this ILC right here is a 4-hour golden zone ILC. Now we've been able to make a lot of money off of this ILC over the past month now. So I'm hoping that this thing can still hold down, but obviously it looks like it's pumping up, bouncing off the EMAs, doing what it needs to do. You can see a bounce here, and you can see how it's respecting it for the most part all the way up. But with the news right here, I think it could go either way. I don't think I don't think technicals really matter today. I could be wrong. But I'm just trying to trust that this IOC is important and that we could get out of here. You know what I mean? Basically, just get out of this zone and come back down. So when I zoom out of it, if you look at the 1 hour right here, there's a lot of space, but the thing I'm worried about is how it's just a continuous pump, right? It filled up all of this and it broke this high, which unfortunately that can mean a big push up. But what I think could happen is now that this high broke this high, we could see a retracement down to this area here and then a push up if needed. So I don't know if we go straight up. I think maybe we see a retracement and then a push up, but I could be wrong. So that's just part of it right there. And you could see here, it's about a 23% retracement, so it's not great. But it did come up, right? You can see how it's moving up, and even now it's still moving up. So we'll see what it gives us right now. I'm in the trade though. If it pushes and blows past all this shit, then it pushes and blows past all this shit, So CPI coming out, we're gonna see what inflation is. We're gonna see what the price index is telling us. Um, and in my opinion, I feel like everything's still going up at the grocery stores. That we're essentially, hold on one second. Whoops. That we're essentially gonna see a big push. We'll see. We'll see right now. We'll see. So we got about 8 minutes till the news hits. We'll see what the market gives us, and yeah, go from here. Yeah, it's crazy how this shit is just pumping and pumping and pumping.
I got a position at 305.
Yeah, I mean, the only thing I would say is if you get your position up here up top, I have a position down here that I think I'm going to just move to break even, just because I don't know if it'll break through this area necessarily. But get a position right here. All you really need, let's see, you got a position up top. All you really need is about a 70 pip stop loss, which isn't bad. So figure out what you're going to risk. Are you going to risk, $5 a pip? That's 350 bucks that you're risking. Are you going to risk $50 a pip? That's 3,500 bucks that you're risking. So you just got to be mindful of what the risk is, understand the risk, and take it from there. So we'll see if it gives us what we want. Got about 7 minutes till open, and yeah, let's see what it is. You can see right here on the 5 minute how it's bouncing in and out. Don't necessarily like that, right? So we'll see right now. I mean, I wouldn't go too heavy though. It's news day, so go either way. Well, yeah, let's see. Fucking cold in here. So you can see right now how it's not even breaking the 1 minute 50 EMA right now. All right. It's just respecting this all the way through. All right, let's see what this shit's talking about. It's got a pretty big pump right now. Hopefully we see it fall off right now in the next 5 minutes, but we'll see. Down about 5 pips on my top position, down about 50 pips on my bottom position. So we'll see what's what. Yeah, see where I fucked up is I should have moved these stops to break even and woke up. Totally forgot to do that shit.
Did you see that?
Oh, oh shit, son.
It's happening.
This guy. All right, let's see. Yeah, I closed one of my positions, a $680 loss, just because I don't want to lose more. You know what I mean? So let's see. It's still in our zone, but you can see it's making that move up, it looks like. Let's see if it fucking does the opposite right now. We got about 4 minutes, or it's going to blow past all this shit, take us out, and get up out of here. Julian. All right, let's see. We got 2.5 minutes till open. Let's see if this thing can fall off and come down on us. Nice little rejection. Damn. Turn your phone on silent, yeah? It's 2 minutes. Let's see. I don't like how it's coming down now necessarily, but let's see what it gives us right now at open. I mean, I like the rejection right there. That looks clean, but we got to see if it really wants to fall through. How is it going to look, right? Uh, kind of don't like how it's already down, but let's see. Alright, got about a minute till open right now. Let's see what's what.
Trying to be push up.
Push up. Alright, it's go time. See what it gives us. Got about 20 seconds. Oh shit, son. Oh shit, son. Oh shit, son. I'm securing profit right now just to secure it. If you guys want to do the same, do the same. It's kind of flying right now, so it could fly all the way back up on us. It broke structure. Damn, that shit did fly all the way back. Fuck it. Made 2 racks. Wish I would have made a little bit more. That shit did. Damn. I was up 2 G's on one of my position. I closed it and it fucking closed me out at 1,000. What the fuck? I mean, it could push up from here. It could push down from here. Just got to see what's what. You see how it rejected the EMA right here? Both EMAs. Got on top of them. It could fly up. Just be mindful of that. Man, that's some bullshit. I was up like a good amount, like 2K hit to exit, and that shit. I was up like 4K, 5K, and that shit shot all the way back up. Might continue down, might continue up. We'll see right now. If it comes up and takes me out, it comes up and takes me out. Wow, that shit might come up and take us out. Fuck it. That was crazy. I'm done for the day. It might come down still, but I don't know. The way that shit just went 300 pips down and 300 pips up is crazy to me. Let's see what the news said. I'm done for the day. I'm going to get off my MT4. I'm happy that we made money. In 2 minutes, made 2 G's. Where else can you do that? And yeah, you see it all the way back up. And that's exactly why I drew out these. Because as soon as I seen it touch this, I knew that we could see a push up the way it's pushing right now. So I'm done for the day. Let's see what the news was. Obviously, it was good. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. It was worse than expected.
Why is it flying all the way up for?
I don't know. What the fuck? That was worse than it expected, dog.
Should I put in a fucking cell?
Nah, I wouldn't, dog. The way that shit's flying. You see what it did? It went 300 pips down and 600 pips up. Or something like that. I might be over exaggerating, but it did something like that. Hey, but we made money. I don't know if you guys got out, but I got out. I just wish I was up 4K. I seen it. And by the time I closed all my shit, I only made fucking 2K. That's crazy. Well, there it goes. And I think it was right off of our zone, too. Let's see if that zone was tapped. Oh, no, the zone was down here. Yeah, it wasn't off of the zone, but it's crazy that it pushed all the way up like that because, yeah, inflation was higher than expected. Price index was higher than expected. They're expecting 6.2%. They got 6.4%. Ready to go to the gym?
Yeah.
Don't tell me you still have trades on there. Fucking guy. I mean, that looks like it's pushing up. If you look at the 1 minute, look at that 1 minute block. Boom, boom, boom. But you never know because now it's kind of broken on top of here. I think it should come down, but who fucking knows?
That shit just dropped 100 pips.
But look at that. That's the most undecisive candle you ever see in your life, dog. I mean, it still has 10 minutes, but the 5 minute looks like that too. Look at that. The world's most undecided candle. Kind of pissed that I only got half of what I wanted, but still clean enough to say okay. So I don't know why it shot up. Maybe they just took out a bunch of stop losses. Maybe that could have been it.
Yeah, that's what they did.
They could have just taken out a bunch of stop losses, but
Stomped everybody out.
right now, if you were to get in right now, you would need a 140 pip stop loss just to hop in because this thing has the opportunity to come all the way back up here before falling off. So, I mean, it's up to you if you want to take it, but I mean, if you were able to make money in those 2 minutes, don't fucking keep trading. You know what I mean? You don't want to fucking be on the wrong side of things. So, damn, I seen something right here. What is, the Fed is not your friend. Wells Fargo delivers warning ahead of key inflation report. The Fed is not your friend. He warns Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell will likely hold interest rates higher for longer, and it could leave investors on the wrong side of the trade. You think about the history over the last 15 years. Whenever there was weakness, the Fed rises to the rescue. Not this time. The Fed cares about inflation, and that's just about it. So this could determine, of course, rising interest rates for sure. This is going to justify rising interest rates because inflation is still high.
Yeah.
So it's going to justify it. There's the fall.
Let's go, baby.
I'd be careful right here because you're on top of the IOC now, and you can see how it's using it kind of as a support level. I think it should come down with the news, so we'll see right now.
There we go.
You know what's crazy? If I would have left my original trade in, I would have been up 4 or 5 G's, came up, lost like 2 G's, and not made shit. If I just left it in there, that's crazy. I had my take profit right here. I thought it would reach down here, but didn't help.
I'm up 100 pips right now.
There you go. Yeah, I mean, I think price should continue to come down. I think so.
There we go. There we go.
Damn. That's exactly what they did. Look at how that 5 minute finished. As undecisive as you could finish right there. Big rejection on top, big rejection on bottom, and then it fucking just made its way down. The news kind of finally caught up right here. Shit, just let that shit ride. See what happens. I would take profit, but let it ride. Damn, look at that. Holy shit. So we had the right idea, but you see this pump right here? This has nothing to do with us traders. This is all market makers right there. They said, oh, everybody's selling. Oh, everybody's stop loss is right here. Watch this. Boom. Took everybody out who was selling. Took them out of their stop losses. Took them out of all their shit. Because look at this is a 200 pips. Nobody has a 200 pip stop loss. You know what I mean? Nobody. You have a 200 pip stop loss?
No.
Nobody should have a 200 pip stop loss. So at this point, you know, you can see it bouncing off the 15-minute 50 EMA right now. So be careful. You could see it come up to here. But I think with the news, we should see a push down. And let's see. ECB's Malkou says China impacts inflation. Damn, that shit's about to fly off, I think. I would get in up here, but I wouldn't get in down here.
Right there.
This guy's in at the very top. Look at right here. Take like a 0.5 or something out, though. Don't take the whole thing out. Take something out. Because you know, you gotta break a structure to the upside and this shit. You don't have to take the 2.0. I'll just take a 0.5. And just let that shit ride, son. Now look at the 15-minute candle. Looks better. The 5-minute finished really undecisive up here. Now this 5 minutes showing a big push down. Got the 15-minute EMA kind of being respected still. Well, it is being respected still, but I think it should continue down with the news. So here I have this area. Oh yeah, I do have a key zone right here. Oh, this is that red line. Remember that red line? So this is where you got to be careful, right? And you can see this is the resistance area that I had before. If we go back, this resistance area was fucking me up yesterday. And now we have it being used as support a little bit. But like I said, I think with the news, we should see a push down. I don't think that's... Maybe a retracement up a little bit, but I think... Actually, I think it has to break this low right here, this wick. So this needs to break this wick, then we see a retracement back, then we'll see the continuation down. Because remember, this is still the golden zone, right? Still in the golden zone, right in the middle of this shit. So I think it has to break the wick that it created. Well, actually, nah. Look at it, it already broke these wicks. It already broke these higher lows. This shit's broken. Yeah, it came back up, but I think the news is kind of what has it. These guys must not be trading right here. They said, is it me or is the market boring? Shit wasn't boring. Let's see what Nas did. Nas did the same thing, playing in between the daily and the 4-hour. Oh yeah, that's nice.
I should have put in that second trade. I only put in one.
You close it?
No, no.
Let's go to the gym. Hey, well, if you guys made money with me, cool deal. We were on the right side of things. Yeah, that's all we need. We just need to make money at the end of the day, and we'll take it from there. So appreciate you guys for hopping on, man. Thank you. Dog. I thought I was fucking tripping. Look at this shit. This shit's not even working.
You're not even on?
I don't know. Let's see. But I'm like, is that fucking Sporty? Fucking Sporty's not even behind me. I was like, what the fuck?
Okay, I found this on the web for what is 45 in the Army. Check it out.
Bitch, that's not what I'm talking about.
I'm up exactly 205 pips. I should have put in. I should have double tapped it